Hello everybody and welcome back to Chainsaw Man episode 2. Chainsaw Man has been quite the journey. I didn't really know what to expect from the first episode, but I was actually highly impressed. I've also heard from commenters that the author of Chainsaw Man is actually a really huge film buff, which kind of explains the feeling of like the cinematic stuff that we saw during the first episode. I don't usually see that or expect it from something that's quote unquote deemed as shonen, which I don't really think this is.
I think Chainsaw Man's gonna ride that line between shonen and seinen. It's gonna have the action and stuff to make it kind of fill that shonen void, but kind of enough of the mature like cinematography and like development of like a seinen. So I think I'm expecting a little bit of both in it.
I'm definitely looking forward to the cinematography kind of aspect because I absolutely love that in my shows, even though I don't make too many comments about it, but that is something that I'll definitely appreciate. But of course, you guys know what to do. Open up your own copy of the episode and stick it up with a timer that's going to appear within Kiwi's hands at the end of my countdown. I'm going to start the episode in 3, 2, 1, play. Oh. Makima?
Oh, hunger.
Oh, slight blush.
Oh,
Oh.
What exactly does that entail? Okay, yeah, it's straight up. She sees him as a dog. Yeah.
She is. You should. She isn't scary.
Don't listen to
You're
Kiwi.
weird.
I wonder, I mean, it's kind of like Makima sees him like Pochita.
See, so I was right. It's going to be her dog.
Oh yeah, the thing that you said last episode, I definitely disagree with that. He's definitely gonna join public safety.
What is he doing?
I don't know. He's super shocked that someone was nice to him.
He's standing up in the car. Wait, Denji, sit down.
Oh no, Denji. She's definitely gonna use you, man. Oh god.
He's too precious. No, Denji. I don't want to feel bad for him. Oh.
Makima's 100% gonna use this to her advantage. Just well, I don't know much about power, so I can't really say anything about them. But even the OP, Makima's just feeding him popcorn. And yeah, here she literally has him on a leash. The poor boy doesn't know how to deal with maidens, man.
I mean, he has lived maidenless.
Yeah. Reminds me of the video, the references.
Yeah, I was about to make the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse joke, but he beat me to it.
I like the one that says it references chains.
Yeah, I do too. Who knew that Chainsaw Man referenced Chainsaw Man, man? And Dark Souls reference right there, yeah.
And the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse reference right there.
Yeah.
Frankfurt. I guess they made a Frankfurt sausage.
Yeah.
Damn, right into the booba. Oh my god,
He's so
Denji.
He's so creepy.
She is very much okay with this. Oh,
Oh, it's Puck Cheetah.
Kane is gonna have a problem with that.
I know.
That's
He
why
was
I
just
said
picking up on Kel.
It's because he called Pugs ugly. No dog is ugly.
Oh my god. It's Tokyo Ghoul. Again, no. And there he goes. Denji's so weird, man. But I guess that's what happens when you live in solitude for that many years.
I love Denji quite a bit.
Yeah,
He's
I like
super
him a lot.
likable. I was expecting a perverted, like sarcastic asshole, but Denji's super
What do you
cute.
mean? Denji's not perverted. He's just like, I just want to play video games with a girl and hug her while I
Yeah.
sleep.
But that's what I expected from Chainsaw Man.
Oh my god!
Aw.
Denji, no!
That was the cutest wolf, though.
No! Denji! You have more dignity than this?
That was so cute, though.
Yeah, her name is Makima.
My heart.
Wow, that's a very direct question.
He's very forward.
Wow! Ah!
Oh,
Oh shit,
Too
that's me!
sweet.
What the hell?
This episode's starting way cuter than I anticipated.
Oh my
I
god.
know, right?
Oh, he's just walking like dazed.
Oh.
Ah, yeah. Oh man, Denji, you gotta learn how to deal with the maidens, man. Makima gonna use you and throw you away. Oh.
So easily too at this rate.
She didn't have to do anything.
Those sneakers were chunky. Them some Doro size sneakers.
Damn, that's
Oh,
optimistic
no.
thinking, man.
Whoa.
Are we finally gonna see the
Not a
gang?
tie-tie.
I feel like Aki Hayakawa. Okay. I think Hayakawa here is gonna be like the guy that kind of like holds Denji's leashes.
And Aki kind of gives me Yukanda vibes from Diggerman.
He gives me Megumin vibes.
If we're comparing it to something like Demon Slayer, I think he's probably gonna play the role of Tanjiro, and Denji's kind of like the Zenitsu.
Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Oh my goodness. It's too perfect. It's way too easy, man. Big man.
He's got one thing on his mind.
Bro. Hayakawa don't care about that. Okay, well.
Yeah, okay. Oh, smoking's bad for your health, dude.
Too soft.
Yeah, he gives me condo vibes.
And they die. Yeah. Hayakawa looking after a fellow bro.
Bing bong.
Ew, that's nasty.
Oh.
Oh my
Oh! No! Oh my god, what? Stop! Stop!
It's nuts or nothing.
No!
He's already dead. Oh.
How can they be friends after this? Oh, holy shit, you can get back up? That man has balls of steel.
Steel, yeah.
Or he's baldless.
He already
Mm.
sold both of his nuts.
Yeah.
And Denji got to be careful. He's got both back now, so twice as much as he gets.
Oh my
Oh
god,
my
God,
gosh, why does he
please
keep on-
protect
why
your
does he-
balls.
Yeah. Why does he keep
Open
on
more
leaving
it.
that open?
Protect the family jewels. God.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, the nut devil. Yeah, they'll be best friends. That's how guys work.
I'm glad you two are hitting it off. Yep.
Oh my
Who
god,
is
yeah.
his voice actor? I really like his voice.
I can look. Shogo Sakata.
すげえだろ。
Pretty new too. He's done a few things, but not much. Nothing I really know him for.
Wait a minute. If we're comparing this to Demon Slayer, isn't Denji just Nezuko?
Yeah, and he's as adorable as Nezuko.
Well, hopefully that's not anytime soon.
Does he know that he's part devil?
Yeah, she just
Yeah,
said.
he just found out.
Did she? I just zoned out. I'm sorry. I was looking at the voice actor. Mhm.
Yeah, about that. You don't know their intent. Because, like, if we were to say that saving someone's life makes you a good person, then Princess Renner's a good person.
Oh, the jam. Good for him.
Oh, that's jam. A spoonful of
What
jam
is
put into
this?
honey.
Oh,
Oh.
he spilled
I'm
everything
so happy for
everywhere.
you.
He's so cute. He's like a little kid.
I love him.
Worst roommate ever. Wow.
No.
Oh, spent all of the toilet paper.
I had a roommate that almost got us evicted because she kept puking in the stairwell.
What?
Yeah.
Drunk? Always?
No. Turns out she was pregnant. None of us knew that.
Oh.
She didn't clean it up, though. She just left it.
Oh, man.
Safe to say, I'm good. I'm done with roommates.
Ah.
Characteristic heads.
Well,
Imagine.
well, that's definitely a very characteristic head.
It reminds me of, like that game that Markiplier played with like the Chew Devils, the Elders.
There's so
No.
many games. I don't remember each one. Oof. Well, no need to?
Overkill.
Need.
But no, he can't. He sympathizes with them because he's half them. Well, he was friends with Pochita.
Aww.
Definitely an impasse.
Mhm.
Nice. Priorities. If only Denji knew what kind of art and pictures are posted on Makima on Twitter.
The porn is secured.
He looks down at his belly and talks. What do you mean? All you need is a hot chick, obviously, dude.
He's missing Pochita.
That's also true. Yeah. Nice angle. The simple things in life, you know.
Oh my gosh.
He's going to devote his life
That's what
to
he
this
meant.
one
No, I don't think
goal.
so.
No. Oh. Power? Power.
Oh, I thought it was a lolly.
We haven't seen any lolly at all. What? Why would you think that?
I don't know.
Oh! Oh my god, she's a chuny.
She's a tunie.
Like you're one to talk.
Oops.
Oh, boobs.
Denji, I relate to you so heavily, man. Just look at all smug. They get hunted.
And the two of them are just like, what? Okay, sure, yeah.
You can just wear a fedora. You and many other men. The way that he says it, man. They're scared of her, yes. Oh my god. I don't think he's looking like that. Oh, well. This music, though.
He's just running with this axe.
Oh,
The sea cucumber.
I love sea cucumbers.
Oh, she uses her blood?
It's like Dead Man Wonderland.
That's nasty as all hell.
It's all right. She's crazy, but she's kind of hot, so everything's
After
okay.
this is that I'm going to go to Kian and tell him not to stick his dick in crazy.
New ED every episode.
This one actually has visuals.
Oh, it's the girl.
It's a
Yeah,
girl.
it's the girl.
The idol girl with a super high pitched voice. She's doing the second OP in ED.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, this art style kind of reminds me of Eve's music videos.
True.
Wait,
Actually, to be honest with you, the beat kind of
after-
reminds me of Eve's music videos.
Yeah.
The gang. Cool.
Mhm.
Okay, so who here thinks that Makima is using Denji and will eventually betray him in some way?
Me.
Betray him, I don't know. Using him 100%.
Oh my goodness, it's way too easy. He has no experience with dealing with these kind of people.
Hayakawa is the same because she seems to be collecting people that need saving and putting them in her troop so that she can use them for herself.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, she's definitely taking advantage of Hayakawa as well. Probably in his time of need, she was just appeared there, so...
Power would have probably been killed if she didn't take her in and put her in the Hayakawa's unit as well.
Maybe. I don't know about Power. Power just seems like the loose cannon.
I feel like Denji's a loose cannon, but not gullible, but like
He's innocent.
easy to kind of push it around how you want, that you could kind of control it.
I feel like Power is just straight up crazy. With Shuni crazy. The hell was that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm
Can you
playing
like, go back to how they explained what the fiends are a little bit more? I kind of spaced out a little bit during it.
I can explain to you. The fiends are basically demons that possess the dead bodies of human beings.
Okay,
and
okay,
so Power
That's why their
is
heads are funny.
Yeah. That's why Power is a demon who possessed a dead or human girl, I'm guessing. And that's why she has like horns.
And it's like, so it's like unreversible. Like once the devil possesses the body or whatever, they're just a fiend from that point on.
Looks like it. I
Because
mean, it's
the
a
way
dead
Power
body
said it, she
already.
said like when I was a devil or
Yeah, when she was a devil, she was like the most feared among all the devils. I have no idea why she's here. Maybe it's because she gets to kill other devils. Here, Hayakawa talks about wanting to see the fiend's power in case it'll be useful to us. I'm thinking that could potentially be a similar case as to what happened to Power, where they found out that she was quite powerful, so they decided to use her instead of killing her off. Unlike this fiend, which got one shot by Denji, of all people. I do very much enjoy the dynamic that we have going on. There's just enough conflict between each character, and everybody kind of has their like own little agenda going on. It also seems like they'll be a good team somehow.
well, their quirks play off each other really funny, so I enjoy it.
I want to know more.
Like Denji just going for the nuts.
Oh my god, that scene.
I mean, I always go for the nuts as well, but guys always protect them. So I don't know how he let Denji hit him in the nuts so much.
I don't know, man.
That's all in self-defense. That's all in self-defense. I have to clarify that, so it doesn't seem like I'm just
around kicking people in the nuts.
It's in self-defense, not me actually trying to kill a generation off. Okay.
I like to know about Hayakawa's backstory, though. He said that demons killed off pretty much his entire family, and that's why he has this kind of prejudice against them. But, you know, being in the same group as Denji, who has kind of only had a demon as his one and only friend, right? So he sees the world from a very different perspective. I wonder how their perspectives will clash and how it'll help each other grow. Because that is definitely going to be something.
Two of his colleagues are half demons. No, one of them is a full demon.
Hayakawa definitely doesn't like where he's at, but I don't think he has much of a choice.
Yeah, I think he's just there for Makima.
He's there to help Makima, probably pay off like a debt to her, something like that. Or at least he views it that way, is what I'm guessing. I'm thinking of where the plot is going to go from here, though.
Do you think it's gonna follow like the shonen archetype, well, not archetype, the shonen like progression of big bad is gonna show up and they have to all kind of come together to fight the big bad?
I do feel like that there has to be a main opposing force that's just like, not your regular demons, right?
Maybe we'll have some like really powerful demon that's like pulling the strings behind the scenes and sending out a bunch of other demons.
So Demon Slayer.
Like all of these shonen.
How can they subvert it though? Or if
I
they're
don't know,
not
that's
going
what
to
I'm trying to
subvert it,
think.
what are they going to present? Because when we were watching Dorohedoro, it definitely wasn't anything that I've ever seen before. That I can say for sure. And if the author takes a lot of inspiration from Dorohedoro, then we can definitely expect to see a mix-up here. At least I hope.
I feel like when you have a main character like we have Denji, you're kind of beholden into that role a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Not that you can't still subvert it. I just don't know what they're going to do with it.
I see. Well, I guess that's good that we don't know where the show's going.
Hopefully. Hopefully I don't know
Hopefully
where it's
that's a good thing.
Yeah, the seinen is going to turn into shoujo and then into shonen again.
going. And shoujo, damn.
Wow.
That's mixing it up.
But alright guys, if you made it here, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe. But until next week, see you guys later.
Bye bye.